Hi guys, welcome back to my video, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to automate multiple Chrome profiles in Selenium Python. So the first thing you guys want to do is import the packages. So just like usual Selenium driver Chrome service and the web driver, and import threading. So the threading is used for multiple threading, so I will explain about it more detail in the video. And also over here I import the config files, which is this file. So this one is used for my user data director and the Chrome driver path. And you will want to create two functions. The first function is start, and the second one is the main function. And this is a little bit advanced, not too much, but when you're writing code, this line should be included. So if name equal main and run main, I will explain this in the other video, but as usual, when you start a project or a script, always run like this and always start from the main function. So this makes coding more readable and more organized. And the second thing is you want to create a list of profiles and create a for loop. And then after that you will add the threading, and you will want to add a target. So here I'm targeting the start function. Target start function, and you can also add arguments. So here I will put index, so argument equal I. So later on I can print out the thread I'm running on. But if you guys are using only one argument, then you must use the brackets, the list brackets. I don't know what it is called, but if you are using more than two arguments, you need to use this brackets, the curved ones, so you can put like multiple arguments here. But here in sample I will just use one argument first, and then the next thing is for I in profiles for start. So you will start the start function in the profiles, and then the last line for this is profile I.join. So this will make sure that all the profiles has been joined before it runs, so all of it will run like parallelly. To describe it is like, so instead of you are doing one job at a time and then you open another thread, it would do both jobs at the same time. So after this, so this one is targeting the start function, so it means it creating two threads. So it's like two script running at the same time and targeting the start function. So right now I will want to configure the driver, or the web driver. So just like this, dot options. So this variable is for adding options, and you will want to create a variable for profile path. And here you will want to put the index, so every time it will create a new profile. So this is how it works. So over here I have a config file. I will go through this. So the amount thread is how many Chrome profile you want to run, and here I have a local variable, and I store the dictionary key and the value in here just to make it more organized. So the executable path is for the Chrome driver. So over here, this is the path for the Chrome driver here. So you must have this to run Chrome on Python with Selenium. And the next thing you want is a profile file. So it basically stores the profiles, the data. So each profile will have its own cookies and history. So this one, just like this. So the reason why you add the index over here is so you can create multiple ones like profile 0, profile 1, just like this. I will just remove this one. And so the next thing is you add a service variables. So this is for adding the executable path of the Chrome driver, and you will create a driver .chrome, and you will add the servers, which is the Chrome driver and the option. So the option here is to configure multiple profiles, so you want to run a specified ones. So for example, over here the first path will be 0, profile 0, and then profile 1. So to see it, you can print it like this, threads index, and then profile path, okay, and then maybe put time.sleep so we can see the progress. And now when we run it, oops, I forgot to close it. I forgot the equal sign, I think. No, I forgot to close the brackets. What's wrong with the code here? Does not match. Oh, over here. You don't close the bracket over here to include these one in the thread function. Chrome option, spell it wrong without the S. So now we start. So as you guys can see, we have opened two Chromes, and we can see that thread 0 is running the profile 0 over here. this is a bit weird. So maybe the next thing you guys can test it out is using driver.get. I will put in a link, so just to make you search. So maybe like http google.com. Okay, now run it. So both of these two threads will search Google Chrome, and so I believe there must be something wrong. I'm not sure why I cannot find the profile that I have installed. Oh, I forgot to add the options. Sorry guys. So you need to add the option arguments of the profile path, so they will give the profile path to the driver. So without this, you will gonna run temporary Chrome. So this will not store the data, and also it will delete all the cookies when you finish the session. So when you run it again, so the thread 0 is running profile 0 and thread 1 is running profile 1, and over here you guys can see two profile have been stored in here, and now you have to Chrome browser. So what if you want to make different profile do different jobs? So for example, in here I will just copy and paste to make it faster. Maybe name this function worker, and so you will just want to add another thread. So this, for this one, you will run this function 2 times, but if you only want to run this function and the worker function, so maybe just hide this one, and then just do profiles profiles add okay, this is the same thing, but then the second one you want to add worker, and also you want to change the index, so maybe this one put it as 1, this one put it as 2. So here you will run the start function for the profile one. I think the index is 0 and 1. So maybe for the worker you want to search something else. Maybe after you search google.com you want to maybe you want to search google.com again. For the for loop here, so for example, maybe search it 10 times, put a time.sleep here. Alright, so when you run this again, so this is the start function, it will stay like this, but this one will keep searching for google.com. So this is a simple thing that you can do for multiple Chrome automate multiple Chrome browser. So in the next video I will teach you guys how to customize the resolution, so maybe you guys can instead of open all of it in chunks like this, you guys can open it maybe the first um, browser like this, and then you customize it, you separate in like an easy looking way, and also teach you guys how to remove um, this line, so like Chrome is being controlled by automated test. So there's a lot of option to add in. Just with the option function, you guys can add maybe VPN, other extensions, and um, you guys can hide it from automation. So you guys will want to hide your automation through to the server. So for example, if you guys search at google.com, google.com will know that you guys are using automation. So in the next video I will teach you guys how to hide it. So anyway, um, so I'm not sure if my explanation helps, but I will try my best to help you guys understand how to do multiple threading for running for automating multiple Chrome browser. So if you guys have any question, just comment below, I will answer it. And this is a little bit advanced. If you guys don't understand it, you guys can text me in my Discord account, so I can explain it more clearly to you guys. And the reason why I make this video is because a lot of people requested it, and I'm kind of busy the whole time, so this is the time I had free time to make this video, just a quick video. So yep, thank you guys for watching. See you guys.